Good morning children, welcome back to EVS subject. Today we are going to see a new lesson number 19, Festivals and Fairs. In this lesson, we will recognize the spirit of cooperation among the people participating in the local festivals, functions and fairs. See children, in India we celebrate different kinds of festivals, and also India is a land of festivals. Some festivals are common to the whole country and some festivals are celebrated only in some states. Let us move on to the lesson Festivals and Fairs. Children, what is festival? Yes, a festival is a time for fun, joy and celebrating. And festivals are mainly three kinds. These are national days, religious festivals, harvest festivals. So in this lesson we will learn about religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated throughout the country. People belonging to different religions have their own special festivals. The different religions festivals celebrated in our country are Deepavali, Holi, Dasera, Gurupuram, Ramzan, Christmas and Navratri. Can you see this picture? Yes, he is a Ramesh. He is Hindu and he is explaining about Hindus' festivals, that is Deepavali. Deepavali is an important festival for Hindus and Deepavali is called the Festival of Lights. They celebrate the festival for 3 days. On the first day, they celebrate Naraka Chaturdasi. What is mean by Naraka Chaturdasi and why they celebrating a day of Naraka Chaturdasi, children? See children, Lord Shri Krishna was killed in Narakasura, an avatar of Lord Vishnu. During the day, Hindus get up before the sunrise, take a holy bath and lighting diyas. Then new clothes are worn, followed by breakfast with relatives and friends. And in some regions of India, they believed that on this day Kali killed Narakasura, hence also referred to as Naraka Chaturdasi. And some people believe that Naraka Chaturdasi is a day to wipe out all the dirt, garbage and evil from their houses. And on the second day, they celebrate Go Puja, means worshipping of cows. Then they have Lakshmi Puja. Lakshmi Puja is dedicated to goddess Lakshmi, the Hindus' goddess of wealth, fortune, prosperity and the embodiment of beauty. Lakshmi Mata, goddess of wealth, is worshipped as Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati and Mahakali with Lord Ganesha, the god of auspicious beginnings, with light lamps in every corner of home to welcome prosperity. And on the third day is Bali Padyami. Bali Padyami is also called as Bali Pratipada. It is said that negative energy was created on the day of Bali Pratipada. And King Bali create more negative energies on this day. Ritualistic worship of King Bali is done where offering Naivedya is made to him to satisfy his thirst and hunger. This keeps King Bali and the negative energies under his control. And he happy for the whole year in Patala and not cause any trouble to lives on earth. Okay. During these 3 days, people decorate their houses with diyas, lights and different types of stars which is hanging in front of the house. And also they will put colorful rangoli in front of the house and decorate the doors with buntings of mango leaves and flowers. People wear new clothes and make different types of sweets and they invite people, friends and relatives to the house and they burst crackers and enjoy themselves. This is all about Deepavali festival. Next, Ramzan. Can you see this picture? Yes, she is Nagina. She is Muslim. She is explaining about Ramzan festival. What is Ramzan, children? Yes, Eid ul Fitr is celebrated to mark the end of a month-long period of fasting called Ramzan, and it is most important festival for Muslims. During the month of Ramzan, they fast for 30 days. They eat early in the morning before sunrise, and during the whole day they do not even drink the water, and they break their fast after sunset. On the last day, they celebrate the festival. People wear new clothes. Prayers or namaz is offered at mosques. They greet their friends and relatives. Then they call friends and relatives to the house. A special sweet dish called shamina or sheer kurma and special biryani is prepared. They share with everyone and enjoy themselves, and money and clothes are donated to the poor. This is all about Ramzan festival. Next, Christmas. Can you see this picture? Yes, he is a Robin. He is a Christian, and he is explaining about Christian festival, that is Christmas. Christmas is an important festival for Christians, and Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year as the birth of Jesus Christ. On 24th December at midnight, special prayers take place in churches. During Christmas time, they decorate the Christmas tree. The Santa Claus comes and gives gifts to the children, and children love to receive gifts from Santa Claus. Then they go to church. They have prayers in the church. After the service of the prayer, they greet their friends and relatives and to invite their friends to the house. Plum cakes are specially baked on this day. They enjoy the festival. This is all about Christmas festival. See children, Ramesh, Nagina and Robin have described the festivals they celebrate at their house. Okay. Which festivals do you celebrate in your home? That you can write it here, children. You can write here. You will celebrate Dasera, Holi, Navaratri, Durga Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. Next, how do you decorate the house during festivals? How do you help your elders during these days? Yes, you decorate the house with diyas, lights, flowers and buntings of mango leaves. And how do you help your elders? By giving the things, you help your elders during these days, isn't it? Yes. Complete this answer, children. You can write it here. Next, write 4 lines about an important festival celebrated in your home. Which is your favorite festival? About that you can write it here, children. You can write here. Deepavali is an important festival celebrated in our home. We decorate the house with diyas and lights. We wear new clothes and we prepare different types of sweets. Next, make a list of special entertainment programs which are held on a festival day. Who performs these programs? Where do they perform? Write in the table given below. See, you can write here. First one, wrestling. Wrestling means kusti. The organizer of villager performs these programs in the village. And second, you write folk dance, Janapada Nrutya. Dance Academy performs these programs in allotted place. Third, you can write here Rangoli competition. Art and Cultural Academy performs these programs in the temple. Next, fourth, you can write sheep fight, Tagarina Kalaga. The organizer of the place performs these programs in the selected place. Next you can write bicycle race. Sports academy performs these programs in allotted place. Next, who visit your home on the festival days? Friends and relatives visit our home on the festival days. What are the different dishes prepared on the festival day in your home? Dokla, jalebi, pulao, vermicelli kheer, rice kheer, jamun, halwa, rasgulla, rava laddu, besan laddu, etc. prepared on the festival day in our home. Next, what is your favorite dish? Why? Tell it to your friends. Yes, everybody likes sweets, that is jamun, because it is soft and tasty. Next, you have to know this. Festivals brings family members, relatives, friends and neighbors together. Together they will enjoy the festival. Next, you told about the festival celebrated in your home. Now, write the names of the festivals where all the people of your place or locality gather together to celebrate them. Which are those, children? Yes, which fairs you celebrating in your locality, that you can write here, children. Yes, which are those? Motigi Basaveshwara fair, Muchkandi Iranna fair, Kanuvi Veerabhadreshwara fair, Badami Banshankari fair, etc. And one more, Kudala Sangama fair. Next, here is a situation of a fair. Identify the activities going on here and write in the space given. Say who are doing these activities. See, children, can you see this picture? See, in this situation people are celebrating the fair and they are going in a queue to visit the temple. And meals or prasada is preparing and serving to the people. We can see here toys shop and sweet shops, stationery shop, games shop, etc. Have you gone to the fair? Yes, everybody visited the fair. Yes or no? Yes. See, fair means all the people of the place or locality gather together and celebrate some festivals. Fairs are also community festivals. A fair is also called Utsava and Urus. All the people work collectively in these festivals and enjoy themselves. This is the topic, children. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you, children.